Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set expiration date for Wix form. So we are going to accept submission for a limited time. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are in contact page and this is our Wix form. So this is a new layout. So when we click on Wix form and then you see edit form button, so click on it. So this is Wix form, new updated layout. Now you see multiple options. So click on setting. So we are in general setting and then scroll down, you see multiple options. Now you see form status, set expiration date, accept submission for a limited time, enable this option, and then you see date and time. So you can set date and time according to requirement. So after that your form will expire and then click on save and then click on publish. So you can set date and time according to requirement for Wix form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.